How's it going, guys? So it's been about 7 years since I built my first computer, and I think it's time to build another computer. December 2019, and I bought all this stuff on Black Friday. I'm probably not gonna make an unboxing video on all of this. If I do, it's gonna be in a separate video. I just wanna build. All right. Oh, what is that junk on there?
crazy Monday. I know it shows that I'm a little nervous. I just realized that I can't let go. There's something about me and you, so let me stay here a little while, at least until I calm down. Please don't say it's all about me. It's something about us, something I like to try. Please don't say it's all about you. That is so too late, 'cause I don't mind waiting for you. No, I don't mind waiting for you.
Okay, do you want to do the honors?
Sure. What is it supposed to be in it?
Press this button right here and we'll see what happens.
This one?
Yep. Oh, okay, hold on. We'll turn on the switch.
Is anything even happening?
And okay, press it. Oh, something's happening.
Oh. Fan's going.
Hey, this front fan is not going on.
Hey, the fan stopped. Oh, it's going again.
Hey, what's going on?
I don't know.
Alright. That middle fan is spinning.
Okay.
Okay.
But two of the fans are
Extremely
not
quiet.
spinning.
Oh, look. Look on the screen.
Two of these fans aren't running.
Wow, okay.
That
It works.
fan and that fan.
Yeah, what's going on? Two front fans are not coming on.
Over there.
Ooh,
Wait.
check this out.
Ooh, so that's how you turn those on.
Wow.
The lights.
Wow, that's extremely quiet.
Yeah, I agree.
Goodness. So that's what it's supposed to sound like when it's brand new. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Everything works. I'm gonna mess with the Wi-Fi. That's awesome. All right. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Aloha.
Bye.
Alright guys, it's been about a week since I built this computer and I had a few problems. One of them being I tried uploading Windows 7 and for some reason it didn't want to work while uploading it. The mouse and the keyboard worked in the BIOS setting, but when I would try to upload Windows 7 it didn't want to work. So what I ultimately did was I just downloaded Windows 10 and everything started to come together and work. A big shout out goes to Paul's Hardware here on YouTube. I couldn't have done it without him. He's got a whole series of how to build a computer in 2019 and he got me through step by step. And I just want to say that the Wi-Fi is incredible. It works really well, and also this board has Bluetooth, which I had no idea that it had it. This monitor is absolutely amazing, but the speakers itself don't sound very great, so I have another setup over here. Alright guys, once again thank you so much for hanging out and seeing the whole entirety of this video. I really appreciate it. I had a lot of fun building this, and hopefully we'll do it again someday. Hopefully I'll upload this before Christmas. Alright guys, aloha and take care.